Tracie here with BibleJournalingMinistries.com, and in this video I'm doing another unboxing from Tyndale for the Women of the Word Bible Journaling Conference giveaways. I am so excited. This is like a bonus box because I already did an unboxing from Tyndale, but they sent another box, so I get to have the pleasure of opening it as well. And if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. So if you like these unboxings, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. So this is for our Women of the Word Bible Journaling Conference. It's totally free and it's online. So you can attend. Your ticket is paid for by the ministry, Bible Journaling Ministries. And when you register, you are entered to win all of our amazing prizes. And this one is from Tyndale. So I get to open it up and check it out with you. Let's see what we've got here. Looks like 2 additional Bibles that they wanted us to give away during the conference. So let's check it out. Okay, so we have the Biblia Inspira. And this looks like the Spanish edition. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful that is, you guys. So yeah, so this is the Spanish version of the Inspire Bible. And look at this, just gorgeous, right? So you have, your table of contents. You have your letter from the editor. You have your Old Testament, and it starts with Genesis, and then everything is in Espanol. So very cool. I love it. I have not seen this before, but you guys can see all of the different beautiful art here. Now you can color these if you would like to, or you can color your own. You can write your own here as well. So, and if you do not speak Espanol, you could learn it, or you could gift it to someone that would love it as well. So yeah, I'm just going to flip through so you can see some of the different art works that are available for you. Here, look at that, just gorgeous. All right, I love it. Look at these, just beautiful. Okay, so you get the whole Bible, and then we'll go to the end here. This is your illustration, so the pages of the illustrations. Here's the last ones for Revelation. Very cool. I love the one with the little cup. Super cute. And then we have the back. And then we have the beautiful cover. This is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm super excited about sharing that as an additional giveaway from Tyndale. We already showed like the big box they gave us. Okay, so this one is the Dayspring Signature Collection Wide Margin Journaling Edition Filament App Enabled Bible with the Words of Jesus in red, single column Bible text, lay flat, Smithsonian binding, full color visual overview of the Bible. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. Look at this, you guys. Beautiful gold gilding. Oh my goodness, beautiful ribbon. This is a gorgeous Bible. Ooh, I don't even have this one. You have your presentation page. Oh, I love this. So this is the Comfort Promises by Dayspring. So when you're afraid, you read these. When you're anxious, you read these. Oh, what a good idea. What a great idea. And then we have the Holy Bible. It's the NLT, New Living Translation, with a wide margin. So let's check it out. Okay. So you have, starting in your Old Testament, you have your Genesis here. And then you have your Filament App Enabled, which is like having a study Bible and all the maps and commentaries in the palm of your hand with your smartphone. You just simply download the Filament app, you scan it with your phone, and then you can get more information and additional study material in Genesis. And then you have your wide margin here for your notes or your Bible journaling. You can have all kinds of fun with this beautiful Bible. So all the way into Revelation here. Okay, I'm just going to go to the end so you can see all the extras you get. So here's Revelation. All right. And then you were going to get your verse finder as well, if I can get to it. Here we go. So we have our verse finders that you can use based on, the topic that you're looking at. All right. I love it. And then we have the visual overview of the Bible with an introduction. We've got the maps, the Exodus map, the plague of Egypt, the 12 tribes of Israel, the annual calendar as well, the kingdoms of Israel, the book of Psalms, the prophets, the exile. This is very nice. The ministry of Jesus, the prophecies of the Messiah. This is a nice visual overview. The first journeys of Christian leaders, Paul's missionary journeys, and the Old Testament and the New Testament letters. Wow, this is very gorgeous. I cannot wait to give this away. So how do you win? How do you win, right? How do you become a winner, right? Look how beautiful that is, you guys. Okay, so to win any of the giveaways for the Women of the Word Bible Journaling Conference, the only thing you need to do is register for the conference. Get your free ticket. That is what will enter you into the conference. Okay? Enter into the giveaways. So we have like a ton of Bibles to give away during this conference. A lot of wonderful sponsors. So all you have to do is get your free ticket. That information is in the description. No charge to you. Your seat has already been paid. So get your free ticket. You'll be able to be entered. You must have a U.S. address, a United States address, for us to send this to you if you win. So, and again, the drawings are all random. The conference is absolutely free, October 16th, 17th, and 18th. And I look forward to seeing you there. And give Tyndale a shout out in the comments for a bonus giveaway, 2 bonus giveaways for the conference. So give them a shout out in the comments. And I can't wait to see you guys at the Women of the Word Bible Journaling Conference here coming soon online. You don't even have to go anywhere. We'll see you soon. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.